my Mozart again. I just wanted to get the real bird there. Oh, it took off. Oh wait, here's another one. Wait, no, it went off. Up again. Oh, here they are. Here, birdie, birdie. Where the heck did it go? Oh, well. Oh, this is the other part of Grand Central. I think it's called the Campbell Building. Ah, and there's our real bird. Hello. Hello. They don't have too many trees around here. See, this is the tree. It's very short, it's surrounded by cement, and it's very well controlled. I wouldn't say well, though. And that's how it is. New York. They actually have some bushes up in the lamppost. Where'd that bird go? Oh, he took off. Oh, no, he did. Hey, a lot of pigeons here in New York.